Alright, I made it here to pick and pull. I already grabbed the 2 dash knobs there that I needed. All I did was just pull. Very easy. And yeah. Let's see if I can do it on this one here. Oh, this one seems to be in a little better, but yeah, I just literally just pulled. Very easy. Yeah, lots to choose from here. Alright guys, I'm gonna take this mirror here. Just have to undo this bolt. So we'll grab my Phillips. Yeah, I'm just gonna take this bolt out and then proceed to take the bolts that hold the mirror on. It's just 3 10mm bolts, so I'll undo those and the mirror will come out. I'll unplug the clip and she'll be free. Alright, got the mirror. All I did, this cord went down into the door a bit and it just unplugs. See right there, just unplugged there, then I just fed it through there, came out. So yeah, I got all the parts I need for the Oldsmobile. Alright, hey guys, I got all my parts. I got the trim piece for the Mustang, I got the corner piece for my friend, and I also got like a little shifter knob for my other friend, and the passenger mirror for the Oldsmobile, and I got the inside heat control knobs. So yeah, all in all, it was a pretty successful day. Pretty cheap. Nice that you can come out here and do everything yourself. Alright, back here at the Oldsmobile. New dash knobs that I got. It's literally just find out where the last setting was. You see the top there is it's flat and the bottom is round. So that's the same way. So this one was left on cold. And it's in. This one is on the defroster. There. That is all fixed. I forgot to grab that. Well, that'll be another trip. The mirror is broken, as you can see. Here's the new one from Pick and Pull. I'm going to just do a little install video here. So first thing, you have to get access to back here. So you have to remove your paneling, which there's a bolt here behind the handle. Not a bolt, just a Phillips head screwdriver. There's one here. Should be one right. Nope, just one there. And then it just pulls out. Alright, I don't have mine fully off yet, but as you can see, it's just these white clips here. You pull up on them so they slide out of, where is it, this groove here. And then you see there's those 3 bolts that you have to take out. 10mm, I believe. I'll just check here. Socket. I was wrong. I think it's either an 11 or a 12. It's an 11 mil. Those 3, the mirror comes out, you unplug it. There's the cord, that black cord there, goes down behind that plastic sheeting. You plug your new one in. And there you have it. That's how easy it is. You actually don't need to take the whole panel off. You can just pull it back on here. But you know, you risk cracking your door panel and breaking those clips in there, but I did it without doing any of that. Just undid those 3 bolts, plugged a new one in, tightened everything up. And yeah, it's all good. There's the old one there.